YouTube, what's up? It's a real G on y'all TV screens, phone screens, whatever. True 2 times and I'm back with a new video. As y'all can tell by the title. Today I'm gonna be transforming right now. I look a hot mess, as y'all can tell. And no, we gotta do something. And y'all, last night I got a tattoo. So I got this stuff on it and this Vaseline on it. Y'all, so today I'm gonna be doing my hair, my makeup, because why not? First, y'all, I really don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair, but I believe I wanna do a sleek side ponytail. But the thing is, now I don't feel like doing a sleek side ponytail actually. Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna do a sleek middle part ponytail. I was gonna do a side part, but I just don't feel like doing that anymore. When I do my sleek ponytails, like, it don't take much for me to get my hair to go straight down. So like, you know how like most people do a lot of layers, like with, okay, so they'll use like a whole lot of product, but they have to layer their hair to get it flat in their ponytail. As y'all can see, my hair is kind of flat, and it's like flat or whatever, so I really don't have to do much. And to achieve this look, I'm gonna be using some gel and fake Gorilla Snot stuff. Hold on, let me show you. It comes from Dollar Tree. It's called Hair Gunk. It keeps my hair down the same as, you know, other stuff would. I don't like Gorilla Snot because it makes my hair flaky. But this don't make my hair flaky. This doesn't make my hair flaky. It actually makes it like really soft and just not hard. Like, and I don't like my hair to be, you know, super hard. Like, no. Also, y'all, you're gonna need you're not gonna need an edge brush, but you can use one. And then I'm also gonna use spritz, even though like it makes my hair hard sometimes, but I'm not gonna use that much. I'm just gonna use enough so that it stays down. So let's get right to it. So first, y'all, you're gonna need some hair ties and probably rubber bands to make your hair like sleek and down. So first, I'm gonna grab some rubber bands because I don't have those. So I'll be right back with you guys. And I'm gonna put this video of me doing my hair in fast motion because this is not a tutorial. This is just to get ready with me. And I don't really have a specific way that I do this because I'm not a professional. I just do what works with my hair. So yeah. Okay, so y'all, I am gonna use a hot comb and a blow dry here just because the front of my hair it's thicker. So I'm gonna use a hot comb to just make that straighter, and I'm gonna just go over like the top of my hair with a hot comb just because I want my hair to lay right. ponytail. But now, y'all, I'm just gonna flat iron it. And then I'm gonna start on my makeup. I look so cute already. Like, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Don't play with me. I look cute already. Stop. Ouch. But yeah, I'll be right back, y'all. I'm about to go get the flat iron so I can flat iron my hair. And I still have this on because I didn't want none of the products for my hair to get on it because the man said something. I don't know what he said. But yeah, y'all, my hair already look kind of cute and I'm not even done with it. Like, don't play with me. Don't play with me. Period. 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 So y'all, I'm just about to kind of sort of do my edges, but not really, because I don't really know how to do them. Maybe I watch all my videos when I'm doing my hair. I always say that, like, I do not know how to do no edges. Like, I just don't. So I'm gonna just put that little curly thing out there right there, like that. Cause y'all really don't know how to do edges. See, I can't even freaking make my hair look curly. Cause I be seeing people like taking a phone thing and like, yeah, y'all, nothing ever works for me, so I'm gonna just let that be, cause it's not working, and I ain't got time for that dumb cheese. I play too much. Honestly, forget what I said about me doing my edges, cause I don't know how to do that. Literally, like, I really don't. But I be trying, but I really just can't. Like, it just never works for me. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm kind of excited because now I look cute. And I've been looking really like, I'm gonna just put that one back in. And I've been looking like really really like homeless, like bummy, like ew, no. Yeah, I'm starting my business in April. So yeah, basically I'm gonna be selling like the bracelets, like the ones with the charms on it. Like, they kind of like bangles. I think I have some. I'll show y'all if I can find them at the end of this video. Ooh, flat iron my hair. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. But if I have, because I started buying them from the person I was gonna sell them from, so I could see the quality. And I actually really liked them. So then I was gonna start selling them. But then some things happened and I started procrastinating. But at this point, it's either sell something or die. Because I don't wanna work for nobody my whole life. And I wanna do something that I wanna do. I don't wanna have to, I want to be able to do what I want to do, and I don't want to have money on the side, so why not? And plus, here where I'm located, nobody really sells that. See, where I'm from, everybody sells those. Not everybody, but there's a few people, and you know, they're getting somewhere. And like, you know, I even text one of the girls, like, she my friend. I text her like, girl, you know any vendors? Like, I'm trying to get put on. Like, I'm trying to do this. What you doing? And she gave me tips and all. Like, I'm so proud of where I'm from. There's so many young entrepreneurs. There's so many entrepreneurs. Like, literally, so many young entrepreneurs getting money. And why should I just not sell something when? I mean, I get money so I can invest into a business, but online business. It's not gonna hurt my pockets. So I just decided I'm gonna invest into the business. So you guys can follow the Instagram. It's called True Ice X, because it was gonna be True Ice, but somebody already got that name, and they don't even use it. Like, I need that name for my account. But y'all, this is my ponytail after I flat ironed it. I'm gonna just give y'all a 360. I hope it don't look bad. But yeah, that's that. And now I gotta do my makeup. Oh my god. Show y'all my new brushes, cause why not? So these are my new brushes. Well, this one I've been had. Well, I had it for like a month now. And I just got this new set yesterday. yeah. I'm gonna start doing my makeup, and I'm not really gonna explain what I'm doing because I don't really know. I just do what works for me because I really don't know what I'm doing myself. But first, I gotta wash my hands because, yeah, my hands are dirty from doing my hair. So yeah, I'll get back with y'all. is done, but I'm about to take this off because I look so ashy. But yeah, so this is how the makeup looks. It don't look that bad, but it don't look that bad. But now y'all, I'm about to go get my lashes. So I'll be right back with the lashes and we're gonna put them on. And then I'm gonna put on the outfit. So period. Okay, y'all, so these are the lashes I'm gonna be using. They look so pretty. Like, y'all see that? Okay, so y'all, this is really bugging me. I'm gonna take this off as soon as I'm done with this video. Okay, y'all, so this is me with the stuff on, but I'm not done because y'all, I still have to do my lips. Y'all, these lashes are really the bomb. Stop playing with me. Stay off for the lip. I'm just about to use this pencil and just line it. So I'm just gonna be using this baby pink lip gloss. It's by LA Girl. And I had this for a minute, so like the thing not even on there no more where it's from, but I remember. Even though I don't really like my makeup, I still look cute. So this is the final look with like how I look or whatever. And I'm gonna flip the camera for y'all. This is the final look with the makeup in the hair. And I think it's cute. I really do.